Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then the answer to this question is very simple and very easy. That in this video I will be sharing very classy, very stylish, very eye-catching and mesmerizing, and at the same time very easy to make hand embroidery designs of face masks. Yes, you have heard it right. You will be seeing a very wide variety of different color combination based onto different fabric colors mask with elastic adjustable ear straps with a adjustable nose wire, and these masks are designed by using pearls and crochet laces as well. Friends, my main purpose motive is to give you some creative, beautiful and eye-catching ideas so that you could remain stylish and classy with your everyday dressing looks. And one more thing, that these embroidery patterns are very simple and easy to make. You can make them by using only one embroidery stitch at a time, and by utilizing your 5 to 7 minutes of attractive attention of focus, you can make or design the whole face mask, friends. And one more thing, that these mask designs of embroidery are absolutely favorable and best for those who are embroidery beginners, embroidery lovers, or they are embroidery professionals and they have massive number of clients, because these are very delicate, decent and require very less amount of effort, so that you can sell them into reasonable amount to grab the attention of massive buyers. And coronavirus is a dangerous and pandemic situation. It has affected the whole world with a massive number of human beings. So our first and pure purpose should be to save the human lives, and very important for us to keep ourselves protected. So wearing masks can not only protect you from COVID-19 but many other like simple and acute health issues like dust allergy, pollution, suntan, sunburn. Keep your skin protected, and some sort of minor breathing issues like breathing allergies, some pollen allergies. So these are multi-purpose usage face masks. I hope that you like these designs and you have enjoyed the whole video. Do try these patterns, because only one stitch can make these whole embroidery patterns. That is, you can use chain stitch, lazy daisy, French knots, fly stitch or stem stitch, fishbone stitch, bullion knots, or as much as you like as per your choices, friends. And if you want to see some more design ideas, I have shared thousands of design ideas of face mask embroidery and much more related to hand art that could be used to make face masks onto my channel in a specific playlist named as face masks. And from my channel you can get a wide variety of fashionable classy design ideas of women dress designing, sweater designing, crochet designing, hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, mirror work, applique, fabric painting and much more related to women fashion, baby girls designing, home decor. So stay tuned, stay blessed. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care, goodbye. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos regularly with your friends and family. We will soon be back.